Hello everyone, today my presentation is on Ritalin. Ritalin is a central nervous system stimulant prescribed for treating narcolepsy and also ADHD. Ritalin's chemical name is methylphenidate hydrochloride, and this is what it looks like. Ritalin is a Schedule II drug which falls in the same class as hydromorphone, methadone, oxycodone, fentanyl, morphine, codeine, and hydrocodone. Basically, what Ritalin does is it increases the concentration of brain neurotransmitters that control reasoning and problem solving, so it can help you focus better and get things done. The reason why I put this picture here is because it's a common drug of abuse for college students and even now some high school students who want to focus, stay up late studying, and get a lot of homework done. Ritalin has many effects on the body. Some of them are positive and some of them are negative. This diagram shows both the positive and negative. For some of the positive effects, it gives you better attention span. It can increase the dopamine responsible for your attention span. It can also help you control fidgeting and also improve your concentration. That's basically what it does for the positive side effects. There are a lot more negative side effects, and this is of extreme concern, especially because Ritalin is a highly addictive drug, and so those who use it without prescription might suffer from extreme side effects, some of them being anxiety and agitation, mood changes such as irritability and hostility, insomnia. It can really mess with your circadian rhythm and how you're able to get a restful night's sleep. It can increase your heart rate, your breathing rate. It can cause your blood pressure to rise, increase your body temperature, cause circulation issues, and another huge one is decreased appetite. So it can actually cause some dangerous weight loss. Thank you so much for listening into my presentation today on Ritalin.